In this video, you will learn how to do system restore in case if your computer is having an operating system problem. System restore is just the art of repairing your Windows environment by reverting back or by reversing the previous settings that were saved in the restore point. Essentially, system restore for me is just like a first aid you need to employ whenever you have something like an install failure, data corruption, or virus attack in your computer. Here is just what you need to do in order to employ the use of system restore tool. Go straight to your start button and click on it. Then you go to my computer and right click on it. Then you move down to properties. So from the window that appears, you move straight to system protection and click on it. In the next window, you click on system restore button. So then you click on next. From the window here now, you can see the different restore point that is available. So depending on the settings on your system, if what you want is not available, you can now go down to show more restore points and tick on the box. So from here now, you can see that more restore point is now made available. So assuming that I had an virus attack on the 11th of July, or rather 11th of November 2024, and I want to go back to maybe say 10th of October 2024. I will now select my preferred date and then move down to next button. So when I click the next button, the next thing I will do is to click on finish, and once I click on finish, the process will start immediately. What it means is that when you click on finish, there is nothing again you can do until the restore point is completed. However, if you doesn't have a restore point in your system, you can decide to create one by going to create button. So here you put whatsoever you use to remember your restore point in case if you have a system problem. Maybe I want to remember my own with restored now. Then you click on create.